Here's how to let your friends join your private server in Roblox. Now, first just open up the Roblox app on your iPhone, Android, or computer, works the same. And we need to make sure your settings are enabled correctly. So tap on More at the bottom right. And then let's scroll down until we get to Settings and tap on that. There are two things we're going to do on here. The first one is go into Privacy and Content Restrictions. And then from here, Visibility and Private Servers. If you haven't already, tapped on Private Servers and switch this to either Connections, Followers, and People I Follow, or you can switch it to Everyone if you're okay with anyone joining it. But if you just want friends to be able to join it, I would use that option. Now let's go back one and then go to Visibility. And on the same thing, we're going to choose Online Status and switch this to Connections, Followers, and People I Follow so that people can see that you have that private server and join it. After you've done that, let's hit the back button a couple times. And then from here, keep going back, tap on Account Info. Now, let's scroll down a little bit. Under age group, if this says you're under 13, keep in mind you can't have anyone join your private servers. You need to be 13 or older to be able to do this. Now, let's go through the process. Let's go back to home here, and I'm going to do this, for instance, on Steal a Brain Rot. So let's tap on it. And if you haven't already, you can set up your private server by going down to the bottom and tapping on Servers here. And from here, if you haven't set up a private server, here's mine. You can just hit Create Private Server. Keep in mind, some of these are free, but some of them do require you to pay Robux every month. This one says this is 79 Robux every month. You can create a server name and hit subscribe. Now, after you've done that, you can see here's mine. I can tap on those three dots at the top right and hit Configure. After I've done that, the first thing we need to do is scroll down and under Allow Joining, make sure that is turned on. And Connections Allowed, make sure that is turned on. Now you have a couple different ways that they can actually join that server. The first one is you can see server members. I can just hit Add People, and then I can just start typing in their username. So just type in their username and tap on them to be able to add them. You can see in this case, that specific user can't be added, but just add your friend so that they can join that private server. Another option you have at the very bottom is to just hit Generate a Private Server Link. After you've done that, all you need to do is copy this link, and then you can text it to them in text message or WhatsApp or anywhere else, and they can just open that up and join your private server. Keep in mind, after you've done that, they can also just go to your profile. So if they hop out of here and you tap on somebody's profile, let's say I tap on this person's profile, you'll be able to see I can tap on the join option. If I just wanted to join them randomly, they're playing a game and I wanted to join them to play that game, just tap on that join button.